Howdy folks, Tom Barbalet here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I was going to do 30 years of simulations, and I thought I'd start off with a simulation that started all. This is the window associated with just the stuff that's going on, the gossip and the various other things that are being simulated. This is probably a more familiar view. The ape's actually wandering over the island with the weather. As you see, weather moving beautifully. Sleeping ape, moving, twitching perhaps for some unknown reason. Anyway, so this was Simulated Ape. Ape SDK also went by the name of Noble Ape and the Nevada Project. Long story behind that. But these are the earliest simulations that I've carried on to this day. So 30 years, 2026. 1996 to 2026. So that's the reason for this video. Let's get rid of these. Nothing up my sleeve. Then what comes next? Well, actually, this is probably what comes next. This is a pitch battle simulation called Simulated War. This is actually the origin of the graphics for the current Bronze Sim, which we'll get into in a minute. But yeah, just a pitch battle simulation. Here, I'm not sure what the various factions are, but I think most of it is cavalry. Some of it is archers, some of the skirmishers. Anyway. So that is Simulated War, which is the graphics origin of Bronze Sim. We have the urban simulation, which nominally utilized for London 1940. Just the simulated part of this actually has been removed, just for showing the graphics and using the graphics accordingly. But there were simulated apes that wandered over the environment, did various different things. So I wanted over to open doors, had interactions. It was basically to show that the organic simulated environment that Simulated Ape had was usable in another simulation. And now we move on to Bronze Sim, which is probably the least graphically impactful, but Simulated Ape style landscape with early Bronze Age settlements. What we're seeing here currently is the mines that are being set up. The agents need to be more well-defined. Ongoing stuff around that. But I'm going to be recording a group of short videos talking about Bronze Sim for those that are interested. Tom Barbalet in Las Vegas, Nevada, signing out.